Today I am going to share the day 7 story of our reading material. So without wasting time, let's start the story. One day, a professor entered the classroom and asked his students to take a surprise test. He handed out the question paper, but surprisingly, there were no questions, just a thin black dot in a whole white page. So gradually, the students become so surprised. Then the professor informed all of the students that you have to write what you see in the question paper. Then at the end of the class, the professor collected all the answer sheet and read them aloudly in front of the class. And each and every single students surprisingly tried to describe the position of the thin black dot. And it was seen in our life also that we focused on the negative or bad things in our life, like it may be health issues, it may be toxic relationship, it may be any other issues like lack of money in our life. But we have to focus on the positive things which life gives to us. The positive vibes also gives us positive energy. Regarding this story, I want to share my personal story of my neighbor in this platform. My neighbor, who is in ninth standard, met up with an accident, and surprisingly there were no chance to survive. But fortunately and blessings of God, he survived. But there are some black dots in his hand due to the accident. And nowadays, she become very depressed with his black dots in his hands. And always she felt guilt and she felt demotivation. Some days ago, I shared this story to her, and she get motivation from this story. And nowadays she give more motivation to me, and she was now completing his honors in English, and she is going to getting married soon with his fiance, and just that.
খুব ভালো হয়েছে সন্তোষী। শুধু একটু আমি তোমাকে যেখানে বলবো, এত সুন্দরভাবে বলার পরও তুমি কনক্লুশনটা সাডেন শেষ করে ফেললে। এটা করবে না। ধরো, সবসময় এটা মাথায় রাখবে, এ অডিয়েন্স ক্যান ইমপ্রেসড বাই ইউ ইন দ্য বিগিনিং অ্যান্ড ইন দ্য এন্ড। In the middle, they will listen in average mind, but in the beginning and in the end, their focus will be in the peak moment. That's why try to start your speech with a boom and try to end also. তোমরা খুব ভালো করে দেখবে যে যে কোনো সিনেমার প্রথমটা তোমার ভালো মনে থাকে, শেষটাও চরম মনে থাকে, কিন্তু মাঝখানের প্রত্যেকটা সিন তোমার সেইভাবে মনে থাকে না। তুমি স্টোরিটা বলতে পারবে কিন্তু সেভাবে মনে থাকবে না। তা তুমি শেয়ার করলে, তোমার এত সুন্দর একটা স্টোরি শেয়ার করলে, লাস্টে একটা যদি মেসেজ দিতে এটার সঙ্গে রিলেট করে, তাহলে আরো ভালো হতো।